The strategy on getting your 4,000 watch hours or 60K watch views on Facebook and on YouTube. Are you struggling to get people to watch your content? So you want your content to be recommended by Facebook or by YouTube. Today's video, let me share with you one simple strategy that is going to help you. This is a big secret. Now, this platform recommend high quality videos. High quality videos. And what I'm sharing with you, I did not know the secret. My mentor actually told me, but I did not know how important it is. So I used to produce videos. I've seen 720, so I used to use 720. But I want to tell you, if you know you want a video to be recommended by Facebook or by YouTube, start publishing high quality videos. High quality videos. This is going to help your video to be highly recommended to different people and they are going to watch. So please do not produce low quality videos. If you produce low quality videos, people will not really watch it and you will struggle. You will not easily get what you want. Another strategy on getting your 4,000 watch hours or 60K watch views on Facebook and on YouTube is going live. I want to say this every week. Always try to go live. Every week, always try to go live. Always try to go live at least once, if not twice a week, at least once a week. Now this on its own will attract Facebook or YouTube to your page, to your channel, to know that you are active. So always try to go live. Yes, always try to go live. When you go live, try to make something that is going to be exciting. Stay there for some time. You can go faceless live. There's faceless live. There's real life. You can show your face the way I'm talking to you, or you can do faceless live. But learn how to go live. Going live is one of the things that is going to propel your page to grow very, very fast.